Guys, I am so excited. We finally, I think, in my opinion, have the best solution to make an outdoor kitchen a real kitchen. Most of the time, outdoor spaces, it's usually just a structure, hollow structure with storage drawers in it. Nice, but if you want real functionality, this is the first example I've seen where we can turn an outdoor space and make it just as functional and just as identical as your indoor kitchen. Let's talk about the setup that we have here. I'll briefly mention some of the equipment we have. This is Station Grill outdoor cabinetry. Let's go. Outdoor kitchen structures are great. The problem is they've never been truly been able to replicate like a real outdoor kitchen space. What I mean by that is I've been personally searching as I work on my outdoor kitchen a lot, but because it's not quite as functional as my actual indoor kitchen, I still end up using my indoor kitchen more. With this good weather that we've been having, I'd like to predominantly use my outdoor space exclusively, unless it's just dead out wintertime. I'd like to cook outside all the time. This allows us to do that. Now, what makes it unique compared to indoor cabinetry? Well, of course, it has to be outdoor rated. You can't just throw wooden cabinets outside and call it good. The biggest hurdle is gonna be getting something outdoor rated. Everything is PVC. So it's like PVC material, even the structure itself. Now that does a couple things. You're not susceptible to aluminum with warping or rusting, although aluminum doesn't rust. But what aluminum can build up is condensation. So what happens is if you live in a climate where you have like big temperature swings from, 30, 40 degree temperature swings from, daytime to evening, which is very on a lot of coastal areas. Condensation builds up. So you'll get like a lot of dampness and wetness dew everywhere. Now that can cause erosion, things like that. The fact that this is all PVC material helps a lot. Underneath these countertops, they are fully waterproof. You can see back in behind this panel is fully covered. All right, and then silicone to avoid water. Under the grill itself, there is a little channel, little tray that's gonna funnel all of the water one direction. So they've thought of everything to make these more or less waterproof. Now, if you were to spray a pressure washer right on the front of this, I'm sure it could find its way into the cabinets and maybe not make these 100% watertight, but they're not gonna have any issues with water as far as durability goes. So that's great. Durability is awesome. Basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna choose cabinetry. Let's say you wanna do a bunch of drawers. You could do more storage in different widths and combinations. You can do L's. You can see back here we have a bar, so we're gonna put bar stools right here, so you can do an overhang, breakfast bars, any shape you can imagine. All right, so then you're gonna have your actual cabinetry just like you would on the inside of your house. And then you're gonna have end panels. So these end panels on the inner corner, and then end panels on the outside corner. On the back side, we have 4-inch paneling. Now this 4-inch paneling is foam filled, but what's really cool is because it's 4 inches thick, all of your components can go up there. So your gas line, electrical, conduit, you can run all of your utilities in through those panels, and it's not gonna disrupt your cabinetry at all. So that is also really cool. You can do different color toe kicks as well. So we just did two-tone just to show off different finishes in the showroom, but you can mix and match. You can mix and match even like permanent structures. If you like sort of the old school stone look, you could do like stone columns with cabinetry sort of inserts in between them. So the possibilities are endless. We are here to help you design it. So if you want your outdoor kitchen designed by us, call us. We can design it all, get you full drawings, color finishes, all of that. We can help with the whole process because there's a lot of mix and matching that you can do. They work with all major grill manufacturers. And then you can see here we have an insulated jacket. So this is a jacket that you're gonna wanna install, and this will go on any grill that you're gonna design. But really, the deal breaker here on why this is so awesome is just pure functionality. I think I would use my grill way more if I always just had clean tools and clean or utensils outside, like a plate drawer, a silverware drawer, just like you do on your inside of your house. A brochure drawer, no, just kidding. But pots and pans drawer, trash, okay? So we have trash drawers. See, just like you do in basically everything you would put in your real kitchen, you want in your outdoor kitchen. Then it's all right here. You got a spice drawer, spice rack. Like, you know how awesome this would be to have right next to your grill? I mean, I would grill way more if everything was nice and handy. That's why we even did a sink, because now if you can clean your utensils, clean everything, put it right away, paper towel holders, whatever you want to do. You can see here, if you're on propane, this could be like a propane tank holder, or we got a paper towel holder here. But what's really cool is everything is soft close too. So you got high quality hardware getting installed here. So that's awesome. There's just nothing, there's a couple things out there like it, but nothing with this type of fit and finish. We did the Twin Eagles warming drawer, which I'm really excited about toying with. Basically to keep all of your prep food hot, kind of like a Chipotle style or something. And then your grill here, of course, and you can, do anything. If you want to do side burner inserts or whatever, we got cabinets for whatever your design is. You want to do a Kamado, Primo grill, big green egg, whatever it is you're doing, it can be incorporated into the outdoor space. You can integrate refrigeration into these kitchens. Two options. One, you can buy, this is a Twin Eagles grill setup that we have here, the Twin Eagles C-Series. So for example, you could throw in Twin Eagles refrigerators anywhere you wanted to in here, if that's what you're going with. Or if you wanted something panel ready, like if you wanted fridges that just blend in with this, we would do Perlic, and then they would make the panels. Those would go on top of the Perlics, and then you'd have panel ready refrigeration. So that's an option for refrigerators too. They have like a natural design, and this is gonna be basically mimicking woodworking. And there's a bunch, or nature design, not natural. There's basically a bunch of finishes that they offer. That's what we have on display here. You can do like a lighter wood, white, and it kind of has a little bit of texture to it. And then there's like the real modern sort of style. They call this the Evo collection, the Luxe. And again, that comes in a bunch of finishes, more of a sheen to it. This is more of like a texture, and you can do a shaker style. So to get you that really sort of classic traditional look. And again, that comes in a bunch of fit and finishes too. And then they have one option, this will be a little bit more expensive, but it's like stainless steel lined. So you're gonna see all these stainless steel accents around the edges of all of the cabinetry. So that's kind of a cool little option. Here's some of the hardware that they offer. I haven't looked into this yet, but you might be able to just, I don't know what weatherproof these are. If you could buy your own third-party hardware if you weren't keen to any of these. But you can see we just installed the plain black, and you can mix and match for different accents or everything like that. So this really is the first thing I've seen where you basically have a real kitchen, like all the way outside. There's nothing you're sacrificing at all. Let's talk countertops. This is new material. The problem we've been having with countertops, and it goes back to the same issue with cabinets, is durability. So a couple things. Quartz, no go, especially light colors. There's like, it's a man-made product, there's plastics in it, very much yellows in the heat. Granite, we see the same thing. So granite, all that resin infill, that natural resin infill, really yellows. And even if it doesn't discolor that bad, like I have that at my house, it hasn't discolored that bad, but it's black, and it's just like gets scalding. So this is porcelain slab called Dectin. So it's more expensive, but it's kind of like a leathered finish. It has more of like a texture matte finish, which I think was really going to help it hold up to the outdoors. And this comes in different finishes too. More expensive, but like any porcelain material, I think it resists heat pretty good. And like all porcelains, they're very extremely durable for outdoor use. So this is a new material I'm really excited about. If you're local in the Denver, Colorado area, we can do the turnkey project start to finish, including supplying you the countertop, because we have a local resource for that where we can come out and template it. If you're not local, we can still give you everything but the countertop. You'll want to use a local fabricator for that, for fabricating it. So even if you're not local, still hit us up. We'll help you design the whole space. But these by far are the best outdoor cabinetry I've ever seen. I'm really excited, and you could bet one thing. I asked them about my own house. You guys know I got a bunch of projects going on in my own house. We'll see what they can come up with. If they come up with that suits my fancy, we might be doing something, but stay tuned for that. If you're local, come down to our showroom, get your hands on these cabinets firsthand. But I cannot say it enough, this is the best solution I've ever seen when it comes to replicating an indoor cabinet, indoor kitchen outside, which is everyone's goal. Stay tuned. We'll see you guys next time.